guys, it is Jason here. Yes, I'm doing this early in the morning because I just got my package early in the morning. Remember that package what I said that I was gonna get on Saturday? Came in early. So I do have to be quiet because my mom in the other room is sleeping, so we're just gonna get this out of the way. I got this big box. It's from Mike's Militaria, which is a site I just found out recently, and they had some really cool stuff, so we're just gonna go ahead and open that. Let's go. I think there's about 4 things in here, so we're just gonna show you that. And then I wanna make this quick because I have an assignment I have to do. Yeah, this one's a big one, guys. A really big one. We're gonna talk about it. First thing, we've got some Swedish M90L pants. So this is a pattern that the Swedish military uses. As you can see, it's in desert form because they, despite as a neutral country, they often go on deployments. You know, they send their special forces overseas to help out with humanitarian issues, so that's why they have the desert pattern. I think it's in large. I'm not going to try it on camera because that'd be a waste of time, so pretty cool. I'm going to set that to the side. Next thing we have here, oh yeah, baby. We have the Slovakian M97 field jacket. This is a camo that's currently being phased out. It was used during the mid to late 90s by Slovakia as they try to bid their way into NATO. As you can see, there's a bit of rip and tear in here, but that's okay because it's military surplus, so it is what it is. Pretty cool stuff. The next thing we have here, this is pretty freaking rare. I'm surprised he even had these. This is Singaporean M09 pants. So it is a digital pattern that Singapore uses. It's modeled off of the Marpat, which in turn was modeled off of CADPAT. So again, this is in large, so pretty neat. Pretty good stuff we got so far. The last thing we have, and we're gonna try and make this quick. Oh, sweet, we got a little sticker. And we got a little card. It says use coupon code PACK for more for 5% off of your entire next order. So you can look at that. We got here a canvas bag, and you're wondering what's in this canvas bag. So let's find out. How do I open this thing? Oh no, how do I open it? Okay, here we go. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, it does smell too, so. Come on, this is kind of tough to take out. Oh, there's 2 in here? Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so it's a shrink wrap, so this is what it looks like. Oh, look at that. We got ourselves a gas mask. It's a Romanian M74 gas mask that is patterned off of a West German gas mask that looks pretty much the same, so yeah, we're gonna put that on real quick. Show you what that looks like. Also, we have the little canister thing, so that's nice. So we got the canister that helps with like filtration and stuff like that. We're just gonna put that on. How do I put this on? This is so weird. Do I have to take the cap off? Let me see. Oh, we got the foam in here, okay. This is gonna take a while, guys. We have some technical difficulties here, people. Technical difficulties. Give me a minute. I'm gonna pause and then figure this out. Alrighty, we're back. I finally got it on. Whoa! It took me a while, but here it is. Romanian M74. I just found out that it's a licensed copy of the German M65, so that's why it looks so familiar. So, without further ado, we're gonna try this on. Oh, my big head. It does fit, but I gotta find a way to be able to breathe in this thing. It's so annoying. Wait, I think maybe the cap is on. That's why. There's a work in progress here, people. A work in progress. It kind of works. Let's go. Still can't find a way to breathe in that thing, but I'm glad to know we got it. Alrighty, as soon as I figure out how to breathe in this thing, which I'm probably gonna do off camera, until then, it's 8 out of 10 for me, simply just because the 2 points I take off, because still gotta find a way to fit it on my head. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So I have 2 pairs of pants, 1 field jacket, and 1 gas mask. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's not out of order, but it is what it is. And I'll see you guys in the next one.